Today we're going to be making pretty easy goldfish. I know they're goldfish and they should probably be orange, but I love color, so it's okay to make them any color you like. Once you're done, you can use them in a piece of artwork, or you can just have fun with the origami goldfish as they are. Okay, so let's get started. In order to make it, you're going to need a pair of scissors, and you're going to need a square piece of paper. It can be notebook paper, it can be printer paper. I'm using color printer paper, okay? But you use what you have, okay? So we're going to start by holding our paper in a diamond direction. We're going to bring the top of the diamond to the bottom like this, and we're going to rub back and forth. Okay, next let's bring this corner of our triangle that we've made over to this corner like this. Rub back and forth, and then open it up. Okay, now you want to double check that that longest side is here at the top, and the open and close side is here at the bottom towards you, okay? And so what we're going to do is this corner here is going to line up with this fold right here. So I'm going to bring it like this, hold it with my finger, and I'm going to rub back and forth. All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Bring this corner down to the bottom like this, and I'm left with a diamond shape. Okay. Now just these top points that we just folded in, I'm going to bring this point here up to this point here, like this, and rub back and forth. And the same thing with this point, I'm going to bring it up here as well, like this, and rub back and forth. Okay, this next step you're going to want them to be off here to the side because they're going to become the fins of your fish. So I'm going to take this corner that I just folded up like this, and from here, this point, that's where my point's going to be, but I'm going to fold it off. I want it to be off a little triangle here, off the side, okay, so that it can be my fish's fin. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. My point is going to start here. It's going to go off and over to the side, like that, and rub back and forth. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Down here at the bottom, we have two layers, okay? Top layer and a bottom layer. We're going to take this top layer just about to the middle, okay? Like this. Not all the way to the top, about to the middle, right here, and rub back and forth. Okay, and that's going to leave us with this band down here, and we want to take this band right here, and we're going to fold it up like that, okay? So all I'm doing is taking the band that's left over here and folding it up like that. Okay, so now we have a triangle here at the bottom. All right, we're going to turn the whole thing over, and we're going to fold this up like this, rub back and forth, and then I'm going to unfold it like that. Okay, so here's that fold I just made. Now we're going to use our scissors. Be careful not to cut all the way to the middle, okay? So I'm going to turn it to the side like this, and I'm going to cut almost to the middle, but not quite. I'm going to leave about that much space. Here's my middle fold, so I'm going to leave about that much space. Then I'll turn it to the other side. Again, I'm cutting on that fold we just made, not all the way in, okay? I'm going to leave a little bit of space again. So you can see that there's about this much of the fold still left, okay? Then I'm going to fold it back up again like that, okay? This, it looks kind of like a samurai hat a little bit, okay? What we're going to be doing is, here's the open pocket at the bottom. Okay, here's what it looks like when it's flat. Here's the open pocket at the bottom. Okay, we're going to start squeezing it so it's flat like that. Okay, so here's the front that we've been working on. We're going to lift it up like this gently and squeeze it to the front. Okay, and then we're going to flatten, turn and flatten. Here was the front. We're going to turn it like this and flatten it down. okay? All right, see where this band is? That's actually going to be the top of the goldfish, where the eyes are going to be and everything. And this right here is our tail. So we're going to carefully fold it up like this so it's a little triangle, and then gently, so we don't rip it, we're going to tilt it down like that for the tail of the goldfish. Okay, and then you can decorate if you want to. I like to at least put the eye and maybe some scales on it, but you don't have to. If you're going to put the eye on it, I like to put the eye right about here. Okay, and if you're going to draw your scales, I like to draw scales on the body. I do a scalloped line or several capital U's in a row. And then sometimes I like to put some details on the tail as well. Okay, so you do what you like. And I like to do it on both sides. Sometimes I put a piece of string up here and hang them from the ceiling, or I use them flat on a piece of artwork. Okay, so no matter how you're going to be using your goldfish, be creative and have fun. Bye.